Hello there, welcome to your latest weather forecast for Scotland from the Met Office. It's an unsettled 24 hours or so. Low pressure really dominating the weather pattern at the moment. Outbreaks of heavy rain pushing in from the Atlantic. Some strong winds for a time as well. Met Office warning out for that heavy rain. More on that in a second, but it doesn't become drier until later on in the week. So rain across much of the country through this evening time. Met Office warning coming in force through western parts, particularly over the higher ground. We'll see some heavy rain as we move into the early hours. Generally across the whole country, cloudy night to come with outbreaks of rain. And fairly brisk winds too for a time, gusting around 30 to 40 miles an hour around the coast. But the direction is from the south, so drawing in some warm and humid air. Temperatures around 13 to 15 Celsius to start Monday morning. A wet start across these western areas. Outbreaks of rain which will be heavy at times, pushing north and eastwards. There could be some tricky travelling conditions almost anywhere across Scotland, but the rainfall totals building in the west, so there could be some local disruption. We could see through the course of the day by the end of Monday 25 to 50 millimetres of rain in places, perhaps even locally 75 over the higher ground, and then eventually starting to clear later on in the afternoon across some western areas. But generally a cloudy day to come for most, with outbreaks of rain and fairly brisk winds moving up from the south. So temperatures quite above average, 21, 22 Celsius, despite the cloud and outbreaks of rain and brisk winds. So a muggy feeling afternoon for many. Into the evening time, the rain continues to push north and eastward, some heavy bursts possible towards Dumfries and Galloway, but eventually clearing as we head into the early hours. Clearer skies starting to follow from the west, but showers also moving in from the Atlantic as that low pressure remains close by. And then through Tuesday itself, rain across Shetland eventually starting to clear, but always nearby here. And then through the day, a mixture of sunny spells and scattered showers, one or two of them on the heavy side and most frequent across the west. Best of the drier, brighter weather in the east. And temperatures down compared to Monday, generally reaching 17 to 19, perhaps locally 20 Celsius, and winds generally a little lighter as well. So if you'd like more information on the weather where you are for the next few days, you can follow us on our social media channels. See you again soon.